Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is how to remove duplicate values from single and multiple columns. There are times when there are duplicate values in the same column. First, let us remove duplicate values from a single column. This column shows a list of products where we can see Lay's multiple times. Select the column and click on Remove Duplicates option in the Data tab. Remove Duplicates window opens up. In the window, we can see all the headers of the table. Select the required column and click OK. We can see that Lay's, which has duplicate values, is gone and only unique values are displayed here. Since it happens like this, we should be careful to keep a copy of the original data. Now, let us remove duplicate values from multiple columns. To show how it works, let us keep duplicate values in 3 and 4 and 8 and 9 rows and make serial number column unique. Let us remove these duplicate values. Click on the table and select Remove Duplicate option, and in the window we can select the headers whose columns have duplicate values. As serial number has unique values, we shall deselect it. On clicking on OK, all the duplicate values are removed. We can see that serial numbers 4 and 9 are absent as these were the duplicate values. Our workbook has similar exercises. Practicing them can make these easy for you. We need a remove duplicate option always. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.